Another thing I fucking forgot was my gloves. Oh, that's what I want to come up here and see. You having a poo? Right, now we should be good to go. So the first little stint for today is Moffat, and then from there we're going to go up to St Mary's Loch, and if we've got time we're going to head to the reservoir. Riding solo again today. You get an engine that, love, making a fool of yourself just going around pedalling. That is a half fluffy dog. Well groomed by the looks of it. Traffic lights here. What is going on? There's roadworks absolutely everywhere at the moment. There we go, now we're looking fancy. God, there really is cones everywhere. What's going on here? Cones in someone's garden. Oh, it looks like a pain in the arse to park. Don't worry buddy, I'm not going to overtake you, I'm just chilling. Funny that, when I was at work there was not a cloud to be seen, just sunshine. What are they building in here? I've got really sore legs because I was out on the bike the other day for like 3 hours. Feels like I've been squatting for days. Just don't start raining. It's meant to actually be really nice all week. We're meant to get like 28 degrees on Saturday. That's unheard of in Scotland. That's staying in weather. We only go out when it's windy and pissing down. I'm going to have to stop as well to make sure the midges aren't covering my camper again. Because they ruined my last one. They fucking ruin everything, these little bastards. See a lot of brake lights, you guys better be turning. It's a lot of sheep. Oh, midges, stop hitting my helmet. I didn't bring a cloth to wipe these off. Somehow something wet just hit me in the lip. I have no fucking idea how that has happened, unless I'm slamming it. We're looking a bit dull and dark. You behave yourself, clouds. I don't look rainy, but don't you ruin my time out. I wouldn't be having it. You were a nice day until I got out on the bike, so you can bugger off elsewhere. Someone's got us up. Naughty, naughty. I never really had how much that stood thing protected my chin from the wind. Well, now I've got my chin exposed to the elements. Quite cold, isn't it? Yep, that's a cold chin now. Lovely wee village this. It's got a Spitfire somewhere. Felt a little spit of rain there as well while I was setting up my helmet. So, next thing to do, try and outrun the rain. What are you doing? Oh, I don't know what the guy was doing. Signaling me to go round. I guess I was going to anyway. I just didn't want to scare his wee dog. You don't touch that. There's a little bit of spittage on me visor. That's an adorable big dog. So now we're on the road to St Mary's Loch. And hopefully the rain pisses off. Hey, they got rain or you got midges. We suffer either way. Go away, midges. I can see yous and I didn't want yous near me. You get time. Very bouncy. yes, we have to watch for sheep on the road here. I do always forget this. Well, in these little back roads, the sheep are just left to roam free on these hills. A lot of the time, for some reason, they like the road. And I don't think we're long after lambing season, so we're gonna have to watch for little active ones. It's such a nice day, and now we're getting a little bit of rain. Oh, hey. The road is fun and the views are phenomenal. And I see a sheep. Respect the sheep. You don't know how flighty they are. Right, you pair are taking the piss. Thanking you. What are you doing on the road? All the stuff to eat's at the side of it. Goodness Tail Nature Reserve. Right, we're going to bang in here for a minute. Oh. So yeah, I think it's all the way up there. That person's walking down. I think that's a trek up that hill. Absolutely not. Sheep seeds. Wrong way, big one. Take them up onto the side, thank you. Why do they like the road so much? It's not like any of the food's on it. You can't eat gravel. I'm not an expert on sheep, but I don't think they can eat gravel anyway. But even on an overcast day like this, it's still lovely. Let's try this one, shall we? So, good news, we are on the right road. Bad news, I spotted cyclists. Oh, I've got an itchy forehead as well. Probably have a G-bike. See if I can use some of the reservoir's water to clean my visor of midges. Believe it or not, this is a two-way road. You know, it's getting windy. Why? I didn't sign up for wind. Is this way or the other fucking way? I don't know. Wee. Pay attention, Ryan. I have no idea what that sign said. I just decided to turn. I feel like I'm in the wrong place. I don't think I'll be outrunning the rain. Do I continue going up? Or do I go down that way? Let's continue going up, why not? What's the worst that can happen? Well, I guess the worst that can happen is I end up in the reservoir, but I don't think so. I'm getting a light dusting of wet and a lot of, I don't know where the fuck I am. And I've got no phone signal, so no internet up here. But there's still lambs. Run, 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 run. What way you going? Is that boy racer still down here? And it is some reservoir, like. I don't think I'm on the right road, and not the road that I was on before. Yeah, it's got a wee beach line, never getting very wet now though. Do you want to know the fortunate thing? I'm waterproof. None of my gear is, but I am. Typical Scottish weather, we go out and it was alright. And then we hit this bish. Oh well, at least it's summer. What's up there? I don't know. But this road looks more roady than that one. God save us, I don't know where I am. But I know a car came from this direction, so off we pop. I don't know if a little crotch rocket's the right bike for these sort of roads. Hey, I'm going to complain, it's still fun. Mostly because I have no idea where I'm going. Invisibility outside of my helmet, because of the amount of raindrops stuck to it. Bit off. Oh, raindrops keep falling on my head. Oh, you got a bump. Thanks for the warning. There's less potholes on this than there is on the main roads. There's another bit down there. Oh, this may be the road. If it was a nice sunny day, you'd be able to see. Open the lid. Ah, rain! Shutting the lid. That's a bit alright, like. I don't know about coming down here in the car, but coming down here on the bike, don't mind it. Let's get further down this road, because I think I go down and all the way around that. The weather turned on me a little bit, like, but this was one of the shots I got on my last bike, something like this. Might be able to do something with the pictures, but oh well. Continuing on, because it's spitting a little. It's not actually too bad. Visibility's pish, because helmet. Ah. God save us. Not done that since I got it. She's bumpy like. Go back into first. I need some engine braking. This is a hill. Hey wee birdie. Yeah, that's steep. This is what being on a motorbike's about though. Maybe not in the piss and rain, but going out and exploring and finding new bits. Because I mean, we're in the middle of nowhere, but look at it. And I think this is just another giant reservoir. Oh, water's inside bungalow. I'm getting a wee bit cold now. I think some of the water's actually getting through my leathers. I'll come back here again, like, in slightly better conditions, I think. Don't need to be massively better. I don't know how long this is. It's lovely, it is beautiful though. Upside though, midges are gone. If I didn't have a motorbike, I don't think I'd come to places like this. I definitely wouldn't see them. It's just not as adventurous when I go out in the car. Maybe if I had a camper van it would be, but I'd be a bit nervous on how thin the roads are and can you get turned and is there any weak bridges or anything like that. Well, a motorbike, you just go. And this is a sports bike. If it was like a Triumph Tiger or something, you're laughing. Well, it's a wee gem this. And we won't let the weather get us down. You kind of just get used to the weather when you live here. Not saying I enjoy it, but it definitely becomes a non-issue. Just comes to a sudden end. Let's see what the road out of here is like. Nice houses here, like. I have no idea where we even are, but it looks like civilization. Oh, there's a road, a main road. Let's see what the signs say. Inner Moffat. Yeah, let's head back to Moffat. It's quite cold, isn't it? All I hear was me thinking it was going to be a nice sunny day for our ride. And it was close. The sun's somewhere in the world. It's not fucking here. I think next time I come out in the piss and rain, I might as well just go and find a castle somewhere. The castles look cool in the rain. Maybe I should have checked the weather before I came out. It just looked like it seemed sunny. And I just felt a wee drift in my back or something. How fast are clouds? I reckon I can outrun a cloud. Like, what's the fastest cloud out of the world? I reckon I can beat it on this. I think clouds might be quite quick, depending on the wind gap. What? Are they this quick? I'm going to Google that one again. Ooh, even better. As if rain was neat enough. Visibility might become piss poor shortly, which is exactly what you want when you're on a fucking bike. Traffic lights. Where? Ah, there. Right. Hey, midges are still about. Fuck off. Good legs. Get warm. Get warm. Get warm. Go on, Mr. McTraffic Light. A lot of steamy smoky coming off of my bike. Hopefully it's cooking the midges. Where are we? Moffat! 449. Right, so there was quite a lot of dead midges on my camera, so I don't know how the footage will be. When I say quite a lot, there was like 30 or 40 on the lens. Pretty much mobbed it up. Little pricks. A lot of smudges because of the bugs. But yeah, all in all, it has been a nice wee trip, even if it did turn out to rain. When I set out this morning for work, it was a lovely day, and then I get to go out on a bike, and it turns into this. Typical, but I still got out on the bike. Immature. Do you think I'm always going to be immature? It's quite nice having no wind. Thank you, Tesco wagon. I appreciate it, but I must go. My people need me. By my people, I mean I need to get to the show. 3, 2, actually no one. 3, 2, 1. I just say, I genuinely fucking shat myself. Oh, it's lovely here. Oh, that is a lot of dead midges. My camera's got to be scuffed again. It's got to be covered in midges, isn't it? Oh, I got a bar back! That was very, very calm. Yay, I got a bar back, yay! Never do that again. Oh, my balls! Ow! I wasn't paying attention. My bike seat left me and came back with a vengeance and ripped me up. Fucking, oh, my balls! Have I still got them? My nose is very tickly. Yeah, that's a lot of dead midges on my visor. Slow down.